Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
We have here a fantastic opportunity. This home features a contemporary interior and comes complete with a formal dining room, expansive great room, first floor bedroom, well proportioned rooms, and relaxing living spaces. Designed for gatherings and casual entertaining, this state of the art, meticulously designed kitchen is equipped with granite countertops, large center island, and sleek cabinetry. The sprawling master suite is made for relaxation and benefits from a luxury ensuite bathroom, designed closet, private balcony, and picture perfect ocean views. Sleekly designed, the second bathroom is highlighted by a walk-in shower, soak-in tub, is an earth sink, granite countertops, granite vanity, and porcelain tile flooring. Relax in the resort-like suburban getaway that features a large piano, in-ground pool, beautifully manicured lawn, well-established trees, and fragment bushes. Simple, ideal for year-round entertainment. Enjoying a prime location in an incomparable area of Westmoreland. The land area of this house is approximately 10,890 square feet. Guys, it's time to see this beauty. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $790,000 or Jamaican $21.6 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.